Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer money from M1 Finance to bank account, full guide. Open the M1 Finance web or mobile app and sign in. Tap Transfers, choose Withdraw, then pick your funding account. Enter the dollar amount, confirm linked bank details, and choose Instant or Standard ACH. Review fees, estimated arrival time, and confirm the transfer. Save a screenshot for your records and watch for the confirmation email. When withdrawing from M1 Finance, you can select Standard ACH or Instant Transfer options depending on urgency. Standard transfers are free but take several business days to arrive in your bank. Instant transfers may incur fees yet deposit funds within minutes to hours. Check your linked bank limits and any daily transfer caps. Consider tax implications if moving large sums and keep transaction records for reconciliation and peace of mind today. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful videos. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Trees Black Ice from the link in the description for a fresher ride while handling finances. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider supporting the channel with a click. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Common transfer hiccups include pending verification, insufficient funds, or mismatched bank information, and each requires a clear step. Verify your bank routing and account numbers, ensure your M1 account has settled cash, and confirm your identity verification is complete. If ACH fails, contact your bank and M1 support with transaction ID. Keep screenshots, note timestamps, and retry after fixes. Be patient during business days, and confirm receipt in your bank app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.